how to manage Recaptcha site key on a Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage Recaptcha site key on Bigcommerce easy and quick. First open your browser and then click settings, and now scroll down until you find here security and privacy, and now here we'll find Recaptcha site key, and now just that's it. Just type here anything you want and then click save, and it will be saved as you see, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.